Today is December 7th, 2019. And I cut myself shaving. I cannot stop it from bleeding. Anyway, we are heading over to Gully to get everybody, but it looks like the trucks, pretty much all the trucks are meeting us down there now. I guess everybody wanted to go early, which is fine. Shut up. Why is my daughter talking so mean to me? I am your father.
Did it hurt?
I do nothing but love you. Why must you be mean to me?
Did it hurt?
Why? I was shaved and I cut myself.
Hurt?
Shut up. I shaved and cut myself.
Did it hurt though?
You're evil.
Did it hurt?
You're evil.
Yeah.
No, it didn't hurt. It just bleeding. It won't stop.
It hurt.
It did not hurt. It did not hurt. You hurt my feelings.
So?
Ow. You're so mean.
What's down that elevation?
Okay, we got Dumb and Dumber singing back there right now. Say hi, Dumb. Oh, let's go back to her and say Dumber too, so she's both. No, I'm just kidding. That's Dumber. That's Wiener. Like the dog. Oh, hold on. This Jeff? Yep. That'll probably be Dwayne. I'm almost there. And then Melissa should be there also. Redhead, you know Melissa, she'll be there also. They sold their Mustang, so I don't know what she's in. Yeah. Yep, we'll be there in just a second. Give me a second. Because like I said, Luke and Mindy are going on down. The fire truck is already down there. And the reserve trucks are on their way down right now. They went ahead and took off. So when I get over there, we're probably barreling out of there. We're going to wait around till 4:35 and see if it shows up. I'm like 3 blocks away. I'm just waiting on this very slow car in front of me, and then I should be there in just a second. Like, literally, I'm almost there. All right, bye. What? Well, I'm almost there. Do I not have a slow guy in front of me? You guys want some of this stuff? It's really good.
Yeah, I do.
It's actually good.
Okay, I said I want some.
I ain't gonna give you none. It's actually really good. The bananas and strawberry, I think, are the best.
Can you stop touching everything? Gotta find a banana. I got a banana. Yes!
Alright.
I don't know what that is. It's not popcorn. Strawberry. I have to find a banana. Ah!
Wow.
Oh, that's not a banana.
They're dried. The bananas are dried. The strawberries are...
They have dry,
What?
I forgot what they're called. Kiwis now. They have dried kiwis, they have dried grapes,
Always eating kiwi. It's one thing I always ate before sports.
What was it?
Kiwi. I always ate it before sports.
Why?
I wanted to do a convoy down, but everybody wants to freaking take their own time and get on down there themselves. Like, geez, people, we got a stage of 5. It's alright. I love everybody that's going down there with us.